Hello and good morning for all the traders for watching this weekly webinar series. This is Start Your Morning with Scalping and Day Trading with me. And today maybe we will see some live trades for scalpers, day traders, or long-term investors. So if you need some practical education, just watch this webinar. But before starting this webinar, let me talk about risks. As many of you knows, 76 or maybe sometimes 80% of the traders are losing money, or investors. So please carefully read this information. If you trade with CFDs or leverage products, or simply you trade with equities, shares, because trading is risky. But this is on one hand risk, and for the traders, this is opportunity for making money or losing some trades with stop loss. So I hope that most of you have read this documentation, and never forget that 76% of the traders are losing money. So be careful when you trade with CFDs, shares, or leverage products, or for example, Bitcoin, stuff like that. And I hope that today we'll make some good trades for scalpers and day traders, and long-term investors should watch this webinar also, because we have similar trading entry setups when scalping and day trading. If we trade or invest, we have almost the same entry setups, but this is completely different if you consider trading psychology or long-term charts. So about the company, Admiral has low spreads and MT4, MT5, and you can close or open positions with your mobile also. Let me go to the charts and start trade. First of all, we have a long trend on gold charts. You can see the trend channel, daily chart, and you can see 4-hour charts. And I will show you 1-hour chart. And this is the reason why I opened this position, because I hope that the main trend will be still long. If this will be a double bottom on M15 chart, maybe it will be a good idea, maybe not. Until we wait for this, let's go to Nasdaq position. I will modify the stop loss closer because it will be a scalping or day trade. And I will close 0.30 of the position, or maybe I will close only 0.20. And I will set the trailing stop to this position, and trailing stop will be around 5 points. If you want to set 5-point trailing stop, you don't have to type here only 5. You have to type here 500, and you will see that the chart is jumping up. So this position is a very nice, maybe false breakdown. I mean, this was the support zone. Breakdown, pullback, and maybe we will go up. And if we are lucky, maybe we will break through this trend line, and the main trend will change from bearish to bullish. Look at this. So this was the false breakdown under the red horizontal trend line. I used to color it like this. And this is the first demo account. Let me jump to the other. We can check the conditions we have here. Let me go to GBP USD. We have got a nice long position. Downtrend is over. False breakdown is here. And now I will close 0.0 6. And I will not use a trailing stop. I will keep the stop loss around this area. So I will lose $2 if I get stop loss. The account history of today was minus because I closed this DAX position, because I believed that this is a double bottom W, but it was a bad idea. So now I will buy it back and we will see what we can do with this DAX position. I am trading for the false breakdown. If this will be a false breakdown, we have to approach the horizontal trend line and we have to break this downtrend trend line. If not, I will lose money again. But you can check what we have. Open positions. We have got floating 100 something. And let me check what we have here. And I think that I will close this euro dollar. Or maybe I will wait a bit for the DAX position. Until we wait, let me check gold. Have one chart. Nothing happened here, and let me check NASDAQ. Because on the other account, we have that position. And let's go back to DAX. If I am not so lucky, when German markets open, there used to be higher volatility. So if I am not so lucky, I will get a stop loss again, but we will see. So there is two scenarios: breakdown, pullback, and we going down, or breakdown, pullback, false breakdown, break through this yellow diagonal downtrend trend channel, and go up. We will see. But we have to wait now. Until we wait, I will go to the other account and manage my positions. This one. I like better to use smaller trading accounts. And you can check that we have positions here. Let me go to Dow Jones and set the stop loss a little bit closer. The risk will be 12. I am trading for the false breakdown. This was the support zone, breakdown, pullback, and maybe it will be false breakdown, maybe not. Okay. Go to higher time frames. H4 chart. You can see that we have got a position here. I will set the stop loss around this area. If I will get stop loss, it will be plus 48. Until we wait, let me go to gold. And I will use a trailing stop on gold. Trailing stop will be 1000. Look at this. If I am not so lucky, the chart will go down and I will make another $2. If I am lucky, the chart will go up and it will follow the price. You can see it here. Let's check the account history. It's only $3 plus, but it's more than zero. Or maybe I can set this trailing stop a little bit closer. It was 1000, so I will set it to 700. Look at this. We are jumping up. If the position is closed by the trailing stop, we will plus $3 or $4. And now it starts to go up. And I am really happy with this. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Let's switch to Dow Jones. Nothing happened. Let's check DAX. Maybe on the other account, I had stop loss. Doesn't matter. Not yet, so it's okay. And I will close now this euro-dollar position. We check the account history first of all. It's +9. And I will show you why I opened this position. We have many, many reasons. Let's go to M1. So if you can see that the chart is going down, this is a trend line break-in. It's a good opportunity to go long. And you can see that it was a good decision. You switch to M5, you can see that the result is quite good. M15, it's amazing. Or 1 hour chart. And you can see what happened before. Double bottom, simple trading setup on 1 hour chart. And you could have made maybe a lot of money. But we were not so lucky with DAX position. I will show you that we had a stop loss again. And let me talk about what was my trading mistakes. In a downtrend, under this trend line, I was looking for long positions, and it was risky. So on this account, we lost some dollars. Let me go to NASDAQ, still downtrend. Let me go to Dow Jones, double top. It's very, very risky to open a long position. And I will try to do a very big trade now. Please do not follow this. I will set 11-point stop loss. The risk will be around $60 or something like this. And this will be my last trade on this account. But until we wait for this position, let me go back to this account, to the other one, $10,000 demo account. And let's check what happened here. So first of all, we have gold and Dow Jones. We have trading stop on gold. And let's check Dow Jones. For this position, I will set 20 points trading stop. Gold position got a stop loss, but it was plus. I will show it like this. So gold is closed. And we have the NASDAQ. And we had a stop loss with NASDAQ also before this happened. And now we have to focus on Dow Jones, because we have only Dow Jones positions. You can see that the trading stop will come soon here. It's -12 if I get stop loss with this position, and it's +55 if the market jumps up. Maybe I will set the trading stop to 15 points. It will be a little bit more effective to show you that the trading stop is a good decision sometimes. And you will see if the price is jumping up, I will make with this swing trade opened more than 1.5 weeks ago. It will be a good decision for us. Until we wait, maybe I will go back to the other account, the big one. If you are a beginner trader, please try to avoid using big lot sizes. Start it with 0.10 or 0.30 or something like this for partial closing. It's better to use a little bit bigger lot size, but not too big. Let's check what's happened there. We have got GBP USD position open today. And we have got S&P 500 position. I will not close it yet, maybe only during the afternoon. And let me check what happens with the Nasdaq. I will open a bigger trade on Nasdaq. I'm optimistic with this market. Maybe I will lose some money. But with this demo account, I made a lot of demo money, so it doesn't matter. So unfortunately, nothing happens here, only continuing the downtrend. So we have to wait maybe 15 minutes or a little bit more. Let me check euro dollar. Maybe we can have some nice trades here. If you are a trader, I suggest you not to lose more money than 1% of your trading account. Now I will open a big position. 1% of my trading account, this big account it's much money. So I will try to go long on euro dollar with this risk. If I will lose $100 to $300, I will close trading on this account today. This was a losing day. The most important, you start to lose money, maybe sometimes it's better to stop trading. Let me check euro dollar. Will it be a breakout or not? We will see. There is a big chance, but no one knows. First of all, we have to approach the top of this candlestick. And after that, maybe I will use a trailing stop, or maybe I will use partial closing, or maybe I will set the stop loss closer, like this. And I will show you how to close some part of the position. I used to close 2 of the 3, but now I will close 1 of the 3. And now I will use a very smart trailing stop. Look at this. Jumping up, no more risk. That's all. If you're afraid, you can use a partial closing. I will close another part. I will set back the stop loss to the break-even point. So no more risk. Let's go to Nasdaq. I will use a trailing stop on it because I cannot concentrate on too many positions. 2 points trailing stop. Look at this. Let's go back to euro dollar. Amazing. Trailing stop will be 3 points. Let's jump up. Yes. 2 points. Let's go back to DAX. I cannot concentrate on too many positions. I will close only smaller part of this because I don't want to have big risk. Let's go to euro dollar. Let's set the stop loss to 15. And we will see what will happen soon. Let's make a partial closing. We have to reactivate the trailing stop. I forgot it, it was 15. And we will see what happens. Let's check the account's results. I don't know if it's minus or plus, it's plus 50. It's okay. And maybe we can check GBP USD, what happened here. It's okay. Let's go back to euro dollar. In my opinion, if we don't continue the movements, maybe I will get a stop loss soon, but it's okay. Let's go back to DAX. Set the stop loss very, very close. And go back to the other account. Simultaneously trading is very risky. So we have Dow Jones here. I think that maybe I will use a 3 points trading stop. With this position, I will make some money, not too much. And with the other position, I will make 55. But now I will delete trailing stop losses. And I will modify the stop loss of this position a little bit lower because I need this position later today. So let me check what happened here. I will be optimistic and I will set the stop loss lower because I want to keep this position. Let's go back to the other account. Let me check what happened here. It's only $11. It's not too much. It's better than zero, better than to lose no money. And we have here some positions. Let's check euro dollar. It's quite good, but 76 profit. Not too much on this big account, but it's okay. And we have DAX. DAX is approaching my trend line. We are approaching the resistance level, so that's why I will go 0.5. If it is a false breakdown, maybe it's better to set the take profit higher. And we will see what will happen here. I hope you enjoy this active session. Look at NASDAQ, it was early closed, doesn't matter. And look at GBP USD. Maybe I will close another 0.01 just for fun. Let's go back to DAX. Breakout or not? You can type it to the chat window. We can check what happened with gold. This was a nice entry, but closed too early maybe. Or stop loss, I don't remember. We had gold some, maybe half an hour ago. Nasdaq. GBP/USD. Let's go back to the other account. So I will keep this position. Look at this. It was a good idea. And maybe we will make some money during the day. The last checking of this account is this one. So let's DAX jump up. Maybe it can be a reverse head and shoulders. We will see. Or we have to wait. In some minutes, we will see what happens. If you don't have time to check the charts, maybe it's better to close the positions. I have got a long-term position in GBP/USD. I will show it to you. So, in my opinion, with this floating position, with these closed positions, we can go take a coffee or relax, because now the starting of the day was a little bad, but it became better, and now the risk is not too much. So let's continue it during the afternoon. I hope you enjoyed the session and have a nice day. Bye-bye.